Everyone, it's me Asika Arel from Prithvi Narayan Secondary School, studying in grade 8. Our respected Sir Ananta Puyal gave us a project work. I am going to show it. Its topic is simple machine. What is simple machine? Simple machine is device having simple structure which are used to make our work easier, faster and more convenient. For example, scissor, shovel, fire tools, etc. सिम्पल मेसिन चाहिँ यस्तो टुल हो जुन हाम्रो दैनिक कामलाई छिटो छरितो बनाउँछ. फर एक्जाम्पल shovel, fire tools, etc. Use of simple machine. It is used to overcome a large load by applying simple force. They change the direction of applied force so the force is applied in more convenient way. It helps to increase the speed of tasks. It helps to reduce the duration of time. It helps to do the tasks in comfortable way. Simple machine को प्रयोगले ठुला ठुला बडीहरुलाई थोरै फोर्स लगाएर उचाल्न सकिन्छ. सरल यन्त्रले एप्लाई गरेको फोर्स को डाइरेक्सन चेन्ज गरेर कामलाई झनै छिटो बनाउँछ. सरल यन्त्रको प्रयोग गर्नाले कामको स्पिड पनि अझै धेरै मात्रामा बढ्छ. कामको स्पिड बढ्नाले टाइम पनि थोरै मात्रामा गर्न सकिन्छ. भएन कामलाई झनै सजिलो बनाउँछ. टाइप्स अफ सिम्पल मेसिन. लिभर. A lever is a rigid bar either straight or bent which is able to rotate about fixed point called a fulcrum or pivot. There are three types of lever. First class lever, the lever in which the fulcrum is situated at any point between the load and the effort is called first class lever. Second class lever, the lever in which load is situated at any point between the effort and the fulcrum is called second class lever. Third class lever, the lever in which effort is applied at any point between the load and fulcrum is called third class lever. फर्स्ट क्लास लिभरमा चाहिँ लोड फल्कम बीचमा हुन्छ, लोड र इफेक्ट साइडमा हुन्छ. सेकेन्ड क्लास लिभरको चाहिँ लोड बीचमा अनि इफोर्ट र फल्कम चाहिँ साइडमा हुन्छ. थर्ड क्लास लिभरको चाहिँ इफोर्ट बीचमा हुन्छ र फल्कम र लोड चाहिँ साइडमा हुन्छ. Some terms related to simple machine. 1. Load. The force that is to be overcome by the effort is called load. Its SI unit is Newton. Effort. The applied force in a machine is called effort. Its SI unit is Newton. 3. Load. Distance. The distance traveled by the load after the application of force is called load distance. The distance traveled by an effort in a machine is called effort distance. Input work. The work done in the machine is called input work. Its SI unit is Joule. Load distance, effort distance, input work चाहिँ सिम्पल मेसिनमा आधारित तत्त्वहरू हुन्. Velocity ratio of simple machine is the ratio of distance traveled by effort to distance traveled by load in the machine. Mathematically, velocity ratio is equal to distance traveled by effort or traveled by load. That means VR is equal to ED by LD. यिनीहरू चाहिँ रेशियोसँग आधारित फर्मुलाहरू हुन्. Here input work, effort into effort distance, now output work. The work done by the machine is called output work. Its SI unit is Joule here. Output work, load into load distance. Mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage of a simple machine is defined as the ratio of overcome by machine to the effort applied in the machine. Efficiency. The ratio of work output to work input in a machine is called efficiency of that machine. हामीले काम गर्दा निस्केको इनपुट र आउटपुट रेशियोलाई नै efficiency भनिन्छ. This was for today. Hope you love it, like it. Thank you so much.